So I have a lot to share today. I'm going to show you the July project kit, and I'm going to do a disclaimer. The boards, that these memory photo boards that they come on, they are distressed. If you do not like distressed, I'm going to tell you now, like, please listen to this. They are distressed. I love them. I actually chipped this one a little bit because it was distressed. And so you can paint them. If you don't like the distressed look,
or you want to change the color.
Or you want to change the color, they are wood. These are wood boards. So this is the project. I'm going to show it to you. It is, I'm just going to be honest, you get everything. You're going to get your class with me, which is a visual class. There's a free PDF. All the products mailed to you. What else? Help me. Oh, instructions, the visuals,
the photos.
And then there will be a Zoom meetup. A Zoom meetup where we just basically talk. Like it's like a behind the scenes. Like
it was like a giant hangout crop.
Yeah, it was awesome.
It was fun.
So the kit is one price and it is free shipping.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell them.
So, and they are actually up and loaded.
I know they're up and loaded.
For the first time ever, I got ahead of myself.
I know, we're up and loaded. I can't believe it.
So there's a limited number of them, but they're on there. They're loaded up and ready to go. If you go to the
we know they're going to sell out,
and you go to the project kits page, you'll find them, and they are $65 all in, shipping included, everything. The class
$65 free shipping in the U.S. and I'm going to show you what you get. So this is the project. This is the July project kit, and how I designed it, you guys, is you're going to think this is kind of crazy. I designed it. Oh my gosh. Woo. Okay. My grandbabies.
I take over, but I don't know.
So you're gonna get, like, if you see it, like, of course you're gonna get my washi tape. You're gonna get everything you see, and I designed it to where you can take. This is my marble paper. You can take everything out. So we got you can kind of see it. So this is the class. This is the project, and it's very simple. But also, what I did is I designed little mini books. You can't buy, you can't buy my rings yet, but these are Teresa Collins gold rings. They come with your kit. All the pages, all the stickers. Here's a clear page. All the little, isn't this cute, you guys? So what I wanted to do is, you have so many products that I'm sending in this kit, you guys. Oh my gosh. This is Ezra, Emmy, Elsie. This is going to kill me, you guys. So you're going to get all of this. And, okay, so this is an entire book. Got the thing. And what I did is I strategically made it to where, you guys, the book fits inside your trays. So if you want to, I should tell you this. So the wood trays they come with, this is silver, but you can hang those. You can, and then there is little mini books. So I just want to show you in little gold clips that fit within. So if you want to do, I know this is kind of hard to like put these on here, and this is, okay, here we go. I'm putting these all in here. Oh, look at this book. Oh yes, you're going to get that. You're going to get that tiger. So here, you guys, so they all fit. So there's 6 different little, oh, here's another one. Okay, here we go. So you get all the papers, you're going to get the washi tape, you're going to get all the gold rings. And then you're also going to get all 3 and a free PDF. So this is, you're going to get these 3 books and you're going to get also my favorite little thing here. So it says,
you can do it on the wall, you can put it in an easel, you can put it flat on a table. So this is pink glitter book.
You're going to get my You Got This book and the leopard book. And so I'm really excited about it though. So this is the July project kit. It's one price, $65, free shipping. You guys, thank you. I hope you like these project kits. Love you guys. Bye.
Bye, everybody.